aeroplanes, avion, skaffa, aeroplano, and also avion in German, 飞机. The truth is, I love planes. I love sitting on them. I love looking at them. I love sleeping on them. I love eating in them. I love breathing in them, looking in them, watching in them. I like to pee in them, poop in them, and I just love airplanes. So the point I'm trying to make is I'm building an airplane. Well, an RC airplane. What do you expect? Wait, nope. Airplane plans. Okay, so before I get started, I want to make it very clear that this is not a tutorial. I don't know why would you look at my channel as a tutorial. It should be pretty clear. My channel is not the greatest content in the world. And also I have to mention that I've built planes before, but I've never flown any of them because I was scared to crash them. So I picked up planes from flight test. It's the Tiny Trainer, and I'm gonna build a plane and hopefully I can maiden fly for the first time. And I'll see how that goes. I have a halo on my head. That's pretty cool. Oh yeah, also montage time. Oh, Jesus. Alright, so at this point our plane is essentially finished. But what you want to do, the final step, is you want to grab all your electronics and you want to evenly distribute it so that it gets put all over the place, and you want to have an even distribution of electronics all over the wing. You want to make sure you marinate it and you want to let it sit for about 45 hours. And then what you do is you put it in the oven for 45 minutes at 450 or until it's golden brown. And then by then you can just take it out and you'll have a beautiful flame coming right out. It should be perfect or well done, something like that, if you take it out at 450. But it's up to you. It's up to your preference. And yes, I did cut my finger, so be careful with that. Alright, okay. So, the plane is finally finished. If you can't tell, it's didn't take less than a day because of the color of my shirt. So this actually took 2 days to make. And what I did is I added a little landing struts on the side so that I can practice taxiing and lift off easier since I don't have to throw it with my hand. I also added the rudder servo on the top instead of inside the chamber because I was having trouble fitting the 9-cam servo inside this tiny fuselage. Rubber band it on because in case it gets hit, it's going to absorb, the rubber band's going to absorb the shock instead of the whole wing and destroying the plane. But yeah, I'm pretty pleased with it. It's well underweight, and I'm going to fly it tomorrow because it's like transmitter on. Alright, let's roll. Alright, let's try it out. Here it goes. No. Take number, I don't even know. Whatever. Let's just fly it. Oh, nope. Alright. Yeah, flying is way too hard. Jesus Christ. Thankfully, because of the rubber band, I can just pop them back on. And as you can see, I've actually crashed this plane multiple times. Yeah, flying is hard. It's really hard, but I'm gonna keep trying it and I'll see what happens. Alright, so clearly that did not work. That was horrible. I mean, I crashed way more in real life because I didn't even bother recording half of it. So that was a miserable fail. So yeah, I have to play my backpack because I can collapse the wing. And probably need more practice. Let's go. That was a total and absolute fail. Technically, it flew. I mean, it did fly. The airfoil was working. It's just that I really need to get better at piloting. Why is it so dark in here? That was totally disappointing and thoroughly depressing. But something that is not depressing, I got sponsored today. Today's sponsor is brush. If something's dirty, brush it off. Do you have a dirty workspace? Simply use the brush. There, perfectly clean. I am a doctor, and I am also the co-inventor of the brush. You know I'm a doctor because I have a pen on my pocket, and I also wear goggles and this fancy white lab coat. When we invented the brush, we had one goal in mind. How can we create something that is so simple and can clean things up? And then it hit us. We should use a brush. So yeah, what I'm saying is the brush is a very good tool. Pay your subscription every month and they'll ship a new brush to you every single day. Links in my description, and don't forget to use the promo code. I am milking this joke way too much and I should probably get on with the end of the video. Wow. Somehow if you enjoyed that video, like, share, comment, subscribe, gently tap the notification bell, and comment below what you want me to do next. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.